All right. So our group is Xilinx, and our product is a weapon detector. And our group members include me.
Hi, I'm Cindy.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
I'm Shri.
I'm Melissa.
And I'm Andrew.
And our TA was Tara.
So why do we create a gun detector? So when we were looking at different ideas of what to create for a computer vision model, we really wanted to create something that had a real world impact. And because of that, we had the following three reasons. Number one, we wanted to enhance public knowledge about guns. Number two, we wanted to potentially mitigate dangerous scenarios by identifying if there are guns in a video or an image. And then we also wanted to reduce the lives lost if firearms are misused.
So the first step of our project was to collect, to prepare, and to process data. Basically, we researched the most common types of guns in US. We ended up choosing the three labels: handgun, shotgun, and rifles. Our team used labelbox.com, shown on the right, to classify data into those labels. First, we import the data set into labelbox.com, then we label them, and then we exported them as a CSV. At last, we imported those labeled data into our camp coding center to do the next step.
For training, we use YOLO object detection, which utilizes DarkNet, a open source convolutional neural network framework. And instead of classifiers or localizers, YOLO actually divides the image into regions, then predicts bounding boxes. So you can see this in action on the image where YOLO first divides up the image, puts bounding boxes, maps the probability, and then gives the object class. And YOLO is a lot better than RCNN, which stands for region-based convolutional neural networks, since they require thousands of networks for a single image, while YOLO only requires one and it is much faster.
To evaluate our model, we wrote a code to create a normalized confusion matrix and one without normalization, which evaluates the accuracy of our model. We were then able to analyze the true labels and predicted labels. We lowered the confidence and IOU levels to better improve the accuracy of our model and concluded it averaged an accuracy rate of about 62.3%.
All right, so going through this project, we faced quite a number of difficulties. I guess being online didn't really help with this, but the main issues we had, one of them was many of us weren't really that versed in Python, so having to learn Python, as well as new ideas of machine learning and deep learning, and having to combine what we learned in order to build a product was a pretty daunting task. And the most significant issue was probably the poor accuracy of our model initially. So like when we began, we had 4 labels, which were handgun, rifle, shotgun, and knife. But we found that a lot of like our results showed no detection or wrong detection. And so to fix this, we basically made several different models and we experimented with them. And it turns out the one where we just removed knives gave us the most significant results.
Okay, so now we'll move on to the website and model demo. So I can share my screen.
About another minute.
All right, so this is our website. And if you guys can see the GIF in the back, it's like our model's actually, like our model's the one that's drawing all the boxes around all the guns.
Wait, did you guys like do that frame by frame? Is that how it works?
We kind of like combined different videos, made into a GIF and put in the background.
Wow.
And then we ran our model on it so it could show the boxes, the labels. And so we have a try it now button, but I'll quickly go over the sections. So we have our mission, we have sample images of our 3 labels that we have, challenges we faced, and then our team. So it's our team. And then I'm gonna try out a few images just so you guys can see. So this is a handgun one, and there are 2, as you can see. So I'm gonna choose to upload that. And then you can see it checks both handguns. If you wanna try another file, We're gonna go for, oh wait, let's go for this one. The shotgun. So if I upload the shotgun and it detects a shotgun, and then finally, let's try the rifle. And it detects a rifle. I think the link should be sent in the chat, but yeah, feel free to ask any questions if you guys have any.
A round of applause. First of all, this is good. This is good. I mean, do you guys see like the news, like somewhere to show like videos where like someone was in the church and was joining a fire gun, you know, things like that, right? This could be actually, you know, applicable, you know, so if you can detect weapons and notify, you know, law enforcement and things like that. This has real world applications. Very good, very good, very good. I like the design as well. I like the video. I think it's very thoughtful. You know, I think the video, like you guys took some time to put in there, right? But that definitely illustrates the idea so much better. Yeah, this is awesome.